number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
I'm coming with heavy content. You know I'm coming with heavy content. So guys, I am here to tell you that the Sophia FX slots are opening from now up to the end of December. So from this date now that you're seeing this up to the end, Sophia FX is opening slots up to the end of December. So you guys have a chance to join Sophia FX, right? And listen to me, this is the best mentorship that you will ever get, that is going to teach you everything and anything you need to know about forex. So hope I will see you. Also signals slots are open, signals and also our course, both of those are open. See you guys in the Sophia FX mentorship.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, you know, in life you gotta make some choices. The choices that we're making it, everything's so different how we're making it. I'm a NASDAQ trader, I'm a forex trader. I'm a profit brand and we trading, we making money. And you know, yeah, they say that we ain't never gonna make some money, but you know, we just pull up with the bands and your crypto, with the G worker and a couple bandless. Put some ice in my cup, let me tell you how I made it. If you wanna chill with the big boys, you gotta be part of Sophia FX, where we're making big